Hey, how's it going? It's Chef Pandakage with Wardens of the Aether. Got a really nice little box in front of me right here, courtesy of Airsoftgi. Decided to go all in on a custom gun, pretty much. Of course, we got little boss Ox Baby, as I've been calling him, and he's just all fussy-wussy right now. He's just all tired. Good thing is, he's already fed, changed, ready for bed. But we're gonna open up this guy really quick. Been waiting for it all weekend. So yeah. It's a really big box for a singular gun, but you never know. So fussy.
Sorry for my shoddy camera work while I'm giving his pacifier back.
That's the best part. Okay. Alright. Comes in a really nice carrying bag. I wouldn't really call this tan.
They forgot to put the gun in there.
I know, right?
How funny would that be?
So it's the Coyote Brown. Alright. Okay. It's probably going to be... Let's see.
That is a nice bag, though.
Oh yeah, it is a fantastic bag. Oh wow. There's the manual speed loader for the Sig Pro Force MCX Vertus AEG. It is the Grey Falcon Custom, complete with, I think it was green laser, white light, pack box. Already has a tracer unit. I think it was red and green, red dot. But, oh wow, that is actually kind of tight. It's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. But oh my god, I saw this pop up on the website. It took me 3 days to finally come to a conclusion. I just love Airsoftgi's works. It's so cool. I can't wait to take this to the field. It's got the nice little markings. Got the showing handguard that they installed in with the barrel as well, so it's not as long. So it's just a really nice PDW, I find. And then of course just this 3-position stock. It's just really nice. You know, I was on the fence about it for a little bit, but this was worth every penny. Very few changes I'd probably make. I'm not really keen on this red dot, but that's just personal preference, of course, and I'm like 50-50 on this, just because I got the Bifrost tracer unit and I kind of want to see how that looks on this. But yeah, that was just a really quick unboxing from Chef Pandakage at Wardens of the Aether. We'll catch you next time. Can't wait to take this out to the field. We'll do a chrono test soon because we finally got a chronograph.